Hello everyone, so in this video we would like to share the work that we finished in the Ford Escape and 2010, which belong into the generation 2008 and 2011. This car came with the standard factory radio before, and at this moment it is fully fit with the 9-inch touchscreen full package of the wireless Apple CarPlay, USB Apple CarPlay, and wireless Android Auto and USB Android Auto. On the screen it is wireless Android Auto running with our Android phone recording this video. And yeah, it's just like any of the usual system that we fit in other cars. It comes with the Full HD anti-glare and super night vision reverse camera, and it is fully fit in perfectly, at that angle. It perfectly fit in everywhere. Very nice, just like factory fit. And the steering wheel control connected as well. And the camera is custom fit at the back tailgate at the very best position. So you can have a look here. If we pull the gear to the reverse, it comes straight in with the reverse camera and with the guideline on the screen. So that's so easy. And reverse. Okay. Yep, the sound is good, music is good, screen is very responsive, and Apple CarPlay and Android Auto is very nice. So yep, that's everything. Fully upgraded 9-inch system for Ford Escape. So we'd like to say thank you again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.